Alright guys, welcome back to Outlaw. Welcome back to Deep South Bayou Diesel. Sorry guys, I'm back and forth. Anyway, today is Tuesday the 26th. I just changed my oil bypass valve. I got it off of, trying to think, Extreme Diesel Performance, XDP, because you have Bulletproof Diesel and Extreme Diesel Performance. They both sell the part. So when I pulled my oil filter out, it was bone dry. All the oil had leaked back down into the crankcase. So after I got it swapped over, tried to start it, of course the batteries wanted to go out on me, which are those two sitting right over there. Number, come on big finger, 1, and number, oh come on, number 2. So anyway, I pulled the batteries off of my 7.3, which is sitting right there. The oil pressure went up, down, and I kept cranking it. I did not let off of it, but it went up, then it dropped while I was cranking it, and then it went right back up. It fired up, and I backed it over here. So my plan, because I still don't know, so I didn't tell you guys, I changed the standpipe and dummy plug on the driver's side, which, oh my God, it is super easy. It is stupid easy. An infant could do it. That's how easy it is. But there was nothing wrong with the standpipe and dummy plug on the passenger side. There was the O-rings were in great condition. As a matter of fact, here's the standpipe. There's the O-ring. It's in good condition. Let's pull apart the upper portion. All right. So this part right here is actually from the new one. It came off. So I actually put the one that was originally on here on the new one, and it fits great. It doesn't separate like this, which is weird. But as you can see, these O-rings are in really great condition. And where's the dummy plug? Ah, here it is. So someone did upgrade it to the newer style. But yeah, as you can see, that O-ring is in great condition. So I was being told that the oil bypass valve can cause a no start, and I did have it stall on me last week. So that was just great. So I'm actually just gonna let it warm up and see if it will crank up. We're getting ready to go to town, so I'm gonna see if it will crank up when we get back, and if so, then I will probably be taking this truck to and from work, because I've got let's see here, just under a half a tank of fuel, whereas my 7.3, I'm at a quarter of a tank. And I'd like to let that truck sit because it needs some work done to it, and I don't want to just keep driving it and driving it and driving it. But I'm actually going to shut it down now. Oh, I mean, it's just now starting to warm up. So I'm going to shut it off. That actually shut off kind of hard. And let's see if it'll fire back up. I hope so, but I'm not expecting it to. Yeah, so as of right now, I'm thinking STC fitting, which is not that big of a deal. All I've got to do is pull my turbocharger, the airbox, the turbocharger, and get to the STC fitting. So it's not that big of a deal. I'm just glad I figured it out now instead of, coming back. It's probably going to be raining harder and, it'll be darker, colder. It's nice and cool today. I think it's in the 70s. Yeah, see, here we go. 68 degrees in Arkansas. Can you believe that? In the middle of summer. So that's actually amazing. But, yeah, I'm honestly thinking, since this is a hot no start, which only consists of your standpipes, your dummy plugs, which I've replaced all 4. They're all in great condition. So you're probably looking at the STC fitting. I'll put my scanner on it later, but I'm sure when this truck cools off, it'll fire right up. But I do need to go ahead and just get the STC fitting. I'll probably get it next week. Not worried about it right now. But I did watch a couple of videos on how to change the STC fitting out. It's not that hard. The most pain in the butt part is just getting the turbo off, and it's not as hard as getting the turbo off of a 7.3. The 7.3, the positioning of the downpipe, it's so difficult to get at, and it's hard to get anything back there to pop that V-clamp off. So, but yeah, it's so hard to get anything back there to get that V-clamp off. So that's what a lot of people struggle with. One guy in the comments of a video I was watching said it took him 2 days to get that off of there. Me, it took me an hour to pull that off. So, I was upset about it taking an hour, but when I read his comment, I was like, I don't have any room to complain now. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull these batteries back off of here and throw them on the 7.3, and that way I can move it out of my wife's way. But yeah, I'm glad I got that that bypass valve swapped out. But looks like we've got one more thing to tackle, which is the snap to connect fitting, and I should have this truck back and ready to go. But like I said, I will put my scanner on here, because if it's building up the pressure and it won't start back up, then it could be the camshaft sensor, the camshaft position sensor, because that can cause a hot no start. I have read about that. So it won't stop you from reaching your 500 psi to start the truck, but it won't be in sync, so it won't start back up. But anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Later, Gators.